Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It's about 65 degrees out here. Wind is blowing at about 12 miles an hour. We've been having some windy, cold. My blueberries are blooming, and with the weather and everything being like it was, it quit, or they quit. So they're going to have to start up again. This is a little nuke, little 3-frame nuke that we started. Last time I looked at it, we didn't have a queen, so I didn't see the queen, let's put it that way. But with the weather has been being the way it is, she may have not have been able to come back from a mating flight. This one has some nectar, a little bit of honey, some pollen. This side here has honey on it. Has honey up here, some nectar over here, pollen down here, and bees muddling around here for some reason. Yep, they're out flying the jets again this morning. Okay, this one here has some capped brood, some honey. I think that's the capped brood that I was looking at when I said it was eggs in there. That's capped brood. This is honey. You can cut that, dude. You can stick your finger in there. They don't care. This one, same thing. Brood over there. It's all drone brood, though. So I think this one just needs to be mixed up, framed, put it in something else. Yeah, we're going to have to put another queen cell or some eggs or something in here, because that's all we got. Nothing really. And we're not going to wait anymore. We'll just find us an egg and put in there. Back up there. The wind is picking up here, and for some reason it picks up. I mean, it's down to about 12, and then it gets up to about 25. But that's life. We will live on with it. Y'all have a great day. This is Sam. Bye.